back to No Gears No Glory. Today we're going to be working on Project Code Blue a little bit. We have a few things that we have to tidy up because Project Code Blue, our MAZDA Protege 5, is going away. I've kind of reached the end of that project. While there's still things to be done, I'm not that excited about the vehicle overall anymore. So what does that mean? It's going away and we bring in something new. Haven't quite decided what that's going to be yet, but that's alright. There's still a lot of other work to be done. So come with me today and we're going to tidy up a couple of things and get her ready to go. Alright?
Alright, for this part we're just going to do the GoPro so you guys can see what we're doing here. And basically what we got to do is just button up this inner wheel liner from when I did this really bad dent repair. Again, that was a good fail video. If you haven't seen that, you might want to check it out with my first paintless dent repair attempt. We also need to button up this. There's a couple screws that go in here. Most of these are just body clips, a couple of actual metal screw fasteners. We're going to button up this fender right here, and then on the passenger side we just have to button up this body skirt right here, and that's pretty simple. Again, it's just a couple of clips and a couple of screws, no big deal. Alright, let's get to it.
The right tool. Now we have the right tool. Thank goodness for time lapse. Alright, it's time to go low. So most of these clips around here are just body clips. I just have some generic ones that laying around, and we'll just put those back in place. And it's that simple. Alright, back in place, ready to rock. Okay, now back over here on the passenger side, we just need to tidy up this body panel, which basically means reattaching a clip that's inside here, and then there's two screws that go through here and attach right here, and that gives it a lot of the rigidity and strength that holds it up. Right here, we've got two body screws that go in. I believe I still have those somewhere around here, and then there's a clip or something that goes in there. Now let's see if we can get that back in place, and then this will be buttoned up. So I have two kits that I got from Amazon that were basic body retainer clips that are in line with what Mazda uses, and many manufacturers, quite honestly. And so what I was going to do is see if I can't find a body clip that would match up to this hole. Turns out of all these different clips, not one of them is big enough for that hole, which these kits were supposed to have. So what we're going to do is just mostly focus on finding the body clips that'll match up to this, and we'll retain it there. I think we might have some, if I have to, I'll just do some bolts. Just some regular nut and bolts. We'll match it up there and call it a day. Let's go for that. Here we go. Alright, so basically what we're going to do to attach this is, I don't have the right size body clip, so we're just going to put a nut in here. This actually captures pretty good on the body clip placement as it is. And then I'm going to reach behind with a nut and a washer. We're going to fasten it back there just by reaching through the panel here. It's a pretty tight space, so in this particular case we've got a 7/16 socket to go on our 7/16 screw, or sorry, nut, and we'll get it as tight as possible. And then for here, I haven't quite figured out what we're going to do there yet. We'll see. You know, I'm not married into any certain ideas at this moment. Here we go. Finger tight might be good enough. It's a pretty tight space to try to articulate a wrench inside of. So I'm finger tightening this right now. That's pretty snug. I've got the socket head on it, and I can get a pretty good tighten down. That's nice and snug. There's no pull away there. All right. So now we want to fix this. Once this is in place, this will be pretty immobile. Maybe some body clips will do it. Oh, that worked out really nicely. Look at that. But we got 2 body clips right here. Holds it in place very nicely. There we go. Okay. And there we go. We are officially buttoned up. The Mazda's all buttoned back up. All the panels are back on, and about as good as they were when I got the car. I have a wrecking company coming picking it up, and they're just going to bring me cash on delivery just to, you know, remove it off the property. And then, as I said before, we're going to find a new project. I want to be a little more discerning this time about what I get, a little more excited, and have a long-term, deeper project in the making. In the meantime, we're going to be working more on the Yamaha YZ400. You'll see more content coming on that, and you know, stick with us. I appreciate your time, I appreciate your views, and if you enjoy the content, throw me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Maybe you'll enjoy some of the content we got coming in the future. Alright? Thanks for your time. You guys be good. We'll see you next time here at No Gears, No Glory. Thanks a lot.